welcome back to another arcade solution video in which we will be solving this amazing lab of IAM custom rules of level 1 January arcade. First we will start the lab and then open it in an incognito window. After this we will click on I understand and the Google console will load. Now click on I agree and then agree and continue. Next we will go back to the lab to see the task. Alright, so first we have to run this command in the cloud command shell. First we will activate the cloud shell from here. Click on continue and click on authorize. Now we will paste this command and run it. Next our task 2 is to view this. We have to replace the role name with role viewer and role editor. It is not necessary. Next for the task 3 we have to view the grant table roles on resources by using this command. Now will go on for a long time, so you have to just Control plus C to end it. Just paste it. And yes, this will also keep running like this. So Control plus C. This is basically just telling you to how to view things and what are their commands to get so that you can get an idea from it. Now for task 4, we have to create a custom rule using an YAML file. First, we will run this command. This will open a nano editor with this file name. Next, we will add this, copy and paste, and then we have to save by clicking Ctrl X, Y, and then enter. Next, we have to execute this command. After this command execution is completed, we will check our progress. We'll move on to the next task as the assessment has been completed. Now copy this command and run it here. After the execution is completed, we will check our progress again, and it has been completed. Now for the next task, task 5, we will execute this command in which we will be listing all the roles. Now we will use this command to list the predefined roles. For task 6, we will be updating a custom role using a YAML file. We have to replace the role ID with editor, so we will open the notepad, copy this, paste it here, and replace the role ID with editor. Now we will copy this command and we will paste it here, and it has been done. We also have to copy this output to create a new YAML file. So we'll go back here and copy it from here to description to row editor. You don't have to click anything, just select it and leave it, and it will automatically copy it and paste it in your notepad for later use. Next, you have to open the nano editor. Now, from here, you will copy the output that we copied earlier, and now we will paste it here in the nano editor. Now we will add these two permissions under the included permissions. So from the keyboard, move upwards and then click enter here and click dash. Alright, no, you don't have to. Just paste this. Now we have done it. Make sure your YML file looks like this and you're finished. Let's check ours. And yes, it does look like that. So now we will save it with Control X, Y and enter. Now we have to use this update command and we have to replace this role ID with editor. So we will again copy it and paste it here. We'll remove this and type editor at its place. Now copy this command and run it in the Cloud Shell. And it has been executed successfully. Now we will check our progress and it has been completed. Next we have to execute this command to update the viewer role. Sorry, to add permission to the viewer role. Make sure to read the commands very carefully for your own learning purposes and also for completing the lab. And while the command is executing, never try to do anything else as it may interrupt the command execution. Now check our progress and it has been completed. Now for the task 7, will you execute this command to disable the viewer role. Copy it and paste it here to run it again. And it has completed. Now check our progress. Alright, that means we have been doing everything correct. Now for the task 8, we have to delete, copy this and paste it here. And it has been deleted. Now for the task 9, we will restore, paste it here after copying from there and it has been restored. Now check our progress. Alright, it may take some time maybe. Oh my bad. Let's check it again. And it has been completed successfully. Congratulations, you have completed the lab. Before ending the lab, we will check if we have already done all the tasks and checked all the check my progress. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. Also, I have added a WhatsApp channel link in the description. So go there and follow that channel for more updates. I will be adding any links of the videos that I will be posting. And let me know in the comment sections if you need anything else. Thank you. End the lab and just give it a 5-star rating. It's not necessary though.